extremely happy today. Main reason because we just got a reply from our mail. We were outreaching the shift construction agency and saying I'm researching on how AI can help construction companies, and they replied, Duck 5th forward your email regarding construction tech and integration of AI into the industry. I'll be happy to set up a call to discuss this further with you. My diary is fairly open and Wednesday onwards, so feel free to send me a Teams invite. Regards. That's really good. I'm kind of having one doubt how to give a Teams invite to them, asking them, this is my available time, and you can book any time you want. Okay, so I think we have to go to Claude again. So can I just send a Teams invite, but also let them know my availability and they can book anytime that they are suited in my calendar in Outlook? Come on, bro. Stop. Is there a process like that? I want Outlook to emulate Calendly, but I don't think it has. I'm going to. I think that is good. Thank you so much. I think that is good. I'm going to send it. I'm going to schedule it for Monday morning. So the whole email a bit better, and I'm going to schedule it. Let me schedule it for Monday. Let's say 10:10 or 11:11. That's a good time, right? Cool. 2026. Sorry. So in 2026, it's no longer how you actually do work. You need to use AI in every sector. Like here inside Google Sheet, I actually don't remember how to actually lock the first row inside Google Sheet. So what I'm going to do is go and on the Gemini caption here, and I'm going to tell it, can you please lock/freeze the first row of this Google Sheet. In previous times, we have to go to YouTube or you have to go Google search and understand formatting, and then I think it's somewhere here, conditional formatting. I'm not sure where it is. It's something known as a freeze command. I think if I do freeze, yeah, freeze row 1, I have to do this, right? But since there is Gemini, it will actually automatically freeze it. Now you can see it's already freezed out, and I can go doing my own business here, right? Anyways, so we are going to actually schedule a lot of emails from the CSV because we have Copilot, right? I have just created a massive emailing template CSV in Google Sheet. And what we want to do is open Copilot here, drag that CSV here, and I told Copilot that okay, this is the first line of the first column of the CSV is for subject line, second line is email, and third column is the message, and fourth column is the date and time. I could tell you how it is, but they are not giving me the option of seeing the first chat. So what they have given me is here. I can't actually, so Outlook or the Copilot can't actually do everything automated, but what they can do is create the draft only or schedule the draft only, right? So I'm going to go for option A. Now what it's gonna do, you see, scheduled at 4/6/26, so structure is perfect. I can automatically schedule send or send email on your behalf. Scheduled draft email, I can prepare each email exactly as a CSV. Option B. So this time the AI process didn't actually work. Microsoft Copilot, in the shortest word possible, is pretty pathetic. Pretty pathetic indeed. Like, it couldn't schedule mails, and I researched on the internet, and it had some other way to send bulk emails, but the problem is it will send in bulk only, and it has to be sent on a group rather than email. So it's like you create a group for all the email IDs that you want to send the same message, so there is no personalization. It's just one message or one email sent to 1,000 people, and it's like putting CC and sending an email, but instead of putting CC so that everybody knows that they are getting the same email, you can separately send it, but it's really outdated. So there was a lot of time involved in understanding the system, but I think that would be a wrap for today. On to the next time. If you want to get really updated on AI and how to use it, then definitely follow the channel and feel free to message me, guys.